Good morning, students. I am Renu Singh. I will teach you chemistry. Now, our first chapter is the matter in our surrounding. So, what is matter? Matter, anything which occupies space and has mass is called matter. For example, air, table, glass, pencil, wood, food, cloth, table, chair, etc. If we look around us, we can see a large number of things of different shapes, size and texture. Many of these things are used by us in our everyday life. For example, we eat food, drink water, breathe in air and water. These are the example of matter. नाउ मैटर इज मेड ऑफ पार्टिकल्स. जो भी मैटर है वो पार्टिकल्स से मिलकर बना है. एवरीथिंग अराउंड अस इज मेड अप ऑफ टिनी पार्टिकल्स. टिनी मीन्स वेरी स्मॉल पार्टिकल्स. द पार्टिकल्स विच मेक अप मैटर आर एटम्स और मॉलिक्यूल्स. There are so many evidences for particles in matter comes from the experiments on diffusion and Brownian motion. Now, experiment number 1. How can we say that matter is made up of matter? So there is an experiment number 1. Dissolving a solid in a liquid. When a crystal of potassium permanganate is placed in a beaker of water. Now the color of potassium permanganate is purple and the water is colorless. After some time, the water slowly turns purple on its own. This is because both potassium permanganate and water are made up of tiny particles. The particles of potassium permanganate are purple colored, whereas the particles of water are colorless. When the potassium permanganate crystals are put in water, its particles spread from one another. These particles spread throughout water, making the whole water purple. The particles of potassium permanganate on dissolving get into the spaces between the particles of the water. Now there is another example when we dissolve sugar in water. So what happens? Where does the sugar goes? So now we can explain in this way. The particles are too small to see even under a microscope. When sugar dissolves, tiny sugar particles break off from each solid sugar granule. These sugar particles go into the spaces between the particles of water and mix with them. So the sugar solution will taste sweet even though we cannot see the sugar in it. This is the second experiment. Now, mixing of two gases. This is an example of diffusion and the evidence of that matter is made up of particles. We take two jars. One jar contain air and the second jar contain the bromine vapors. Air is colorless and bromine vapor is red brown in color. So a gas jar containing air is placed upside down on a gas jar of bromine vapor. Air is colorless whereas bromine vapor is red brown in color. After some time, the gas jar containing air also become red brown in color. This is the diagram. First is container is filled with the air which is colorless and second is filled with the bromine vapor which is red brown in color. After some time, both the jars are red brown in color. So how can we explain this? Both air and bromine vapors are made up of tiny moving particles. The moving particles of bromine vapor and air collide with each other and bounce about in all directions, due to which they mixed uniformly. This is the second experiment. Now, the process of diffusion gives two conclusions. Number one, matter is made up of tiny particles, and number 2, particles of matter are constantly moving. Thank you, students.